Good morning, it is Clay Trader, and this will be hopefully a live trade video here where I can catch some of my trades. I will keep you posted right now looking at NEWL. We'll see if I trade that, but whatever my scanner spit out, that's where the focus will be. Okay, I have an order in to pick up some at 261 here. We got 1,000. Alright, well I will just go with 1,000 then. And I'm out there at 268, so that's a quick let's see, $69 score there, and was a little too soon on the sell, but I was actually only going to go for 5 cents, so I'll take that. See if I can catch some more here. And now I'm really kicking myself, but that's the power of hindsight here. You can see now the price is shooting up even more, so shame on me. Should have been a little bit more lenient on my holdings there, but it is what it is. So we'll see what happens. Going for some here at 290. If it can pull back. And if I need to build a bigger position, I can do that. And there it goes back up above 3. Don't like buying up here. I mean, this is pretty overextended up above 3, so I just don't feel comfortable with that. So I'm just going to cancel that order too. See if I can maybe pull back a little bit more into the 80s, or better yet, even the 70s. We'll see. I'll keep you posted. Going from some now here at 270, you can see we're getting a pullback. I have 300, so I'm now all in. I look to sell at 275, but like I said, I like the buying the pullback here into strength. And you know, if I need to buy some more to bring down my cost, I will. But I'm now out, so up 144. Let's see if I can catch some more. Going for some at 260. We'll see if it can get down there. Seems to be trying to bottom out here around the low 270s, high 260s. But if it can go down to 260, I do like that entry point. Alright. Like I said, holding up here. I will pause it. If it looks like it's closer, I'll get the video rolling again. Short here, DKS, 1,000 shares at 44.97, and I am now out. I have no idea why that's $53, but it is what it is. I won't complain about $3 extra. So sorry I missed the entry point there. Kind of just stumbled upon it and got a pretty quick fill on it. But probably try to play this one some more, liking the volatility in it right now. So let's see what happens. Going for some here at 44.88. You can see a breakdown is starting. So I wouldn't mind seeing some little pop up beforehand, kind of like a little final gasp of breath before it continues down. You know, maybe the downwards move is already happening here. But if it can, you know, like I said, poke its head up, get a little gasp of air, that's kind of what I'm hoping for. But I'm also not liking how it's breaking down here either. So if a move was going to happen, I would have liked to seen it kind of already happen by now. I'll give it a few more moments here, but yeah, I don't like that. I don't want to get myself caught in a upwards bounce here, which it looks like it may be attempting to do. So I'll still be looking to short. I play it from the short side, but you know, with that 44.88 mark, I'm just not feeling anymore. Because like I said, it's holding up here. It's not really falling down anymore. So it might be getting ready to do a bounce here. So let's see if this theory on my part holds true, or if 44.88 would have still been a good entry point. So I will keep you posted, and we'll see what happens. 75 is definitely the area of support here, so if 75s fall here, I would expect a relatively quick move to the downside. Whether or not that lasts, I don't know, but I guarantee there are going to be black boxes in the supercomputers that, you know, if 75 does fall, stop losses in the computers are going to shove it down very quickly, and there it is right there, 10 cents down, 15 cents down already. So Why didn't I short that? Well, I really don't like to short breakdowns like that. I'd rather short into strength with, you know, dead cat bounces and stuff like that. But I probably should have shorted that instead of just sitting here and talking about it, as that was relatively obvious that, you know, just, and a lot of this is just the computers right now. I mean, it's not traders, it's just, you know, the computers and all that stuff. You know, they knew 44th, that area was key, and you can see with the break of that, you know, the rest is kind of history. So actually what I think I want to try to do here, try to pick some up at 44.50, because that seems like it's trying to bottom out here, and it's a pretty significant move to the downside already. So I may have missed my opportunity there to try to pick some up, but darn it. See, that's the one downside with the videos. And I like making them, but at the same time, instead of actually clicking my mouse and doing things, I'm just sitting here explaining. So but that's fine. We'll see if it can get back down there again. I will keep you posted. Going for some shares here at 58.93 on Facebook here. See if it can get back. Actually, it went down as low as that. So I'm going to go to 90 there. I just pulled it up and I was wanting to put an order down at that moving average, but I wasn't quick enough. Just was not quick enough. That's why sometimes that's, you know, where the supercomputers, those definitely have the advantage on us humans. I wish I could click as fast, but it is what it is. So if it goes back down there, I'd like to pick up some shares there. So let's see what happens with it. I will keep you posted. Okay, now I have an order into short at 59.38. You can see that's where this 50 period moving average is right there. Zoom in some. But it's struggling to get through 59.30, so we'll see if it can get up there or not. I will keep you posted. Okay, going for some shares here at 58.90. Let's see if it can get down there or not. Oh, it's going to bounce off 91. Please don't bounce off 91. And there it goes off 91. So people cut in front of me. Good for them. They got me. They got the better of me on that one. That was the bounce I was looking for. And we'll see if it can get back down there. But I should have just put it at 58.91. Shame on me. That was all on me. I got out dazzled on that one. Going for some shares here at 59.38. And I'm in. We'll look to cover at 59.33. You can see this is the moving average where I decided to short at. So now I just need it to drop down some. We'll see what happens here. Facebook not as volatile as it normally is, so is something I need to keep in mind. Where, you know, it's some in the morning when it first comes out, 5-cent move is pretty easy to get, but at this point in the day it becomes a little bit more complicated. You'd think, you know, it's only 5 cents, but as you can see the way it's trading, you know, 5 cents just not as easy as it normally is. So I may need to just accept something less depending on how the action happens here. But right now I still feel fine with it down there at 33. These 35s definitely need to fall, and there those go. But so 35s is the key level right now that needs to kind of roll over here. Actually, I do want to short some more up at 50 if it can get up there. That's based off of the 5-minute chart. So we'll see. Let's see what happens with it. Video's starting to get kind of long, so I will pause it and let you know if anything significant looks like it's going to happen here. Okay, I changed my order to 31 to cover, just because I like the downwards momentum there. And there that is. So actually ended up getting $70 on the trade. This was based off the candlestick that was starting to form and just the pattern. And now you can see that I could have gotten even more from it. But you know, I figured a possible dip was coming. I didn't think it'd go quite that low. That's why I put it up at 31. and wanted to cut in front of the people that may have been trying to cover at 59.30 or trying to buy. So it worked out well. So what am I up? I'm up 267. It's about 45 minutes into the day, so nothing huge, but I'll take 267 for 45 minutes of trading. I'm going to wrap it up. If you're interested in learning how to trade like this, meaning using candlestick charts, which are over here, and level 2s, I offer courses on both these different things. Charts can be used for any time frame, not just short-term day trading like this. And level 2s over here can also be used on any sort of time frame. So keep those in mind, and hopefully, if you enjoy the video and kind of like the way I'm using charts and level 2s, you'll want to invest into your education. So you can go to claytrader.com. If you're already on the site, just click on the store. If you're watching this on YouTube, just click in the links below the video. Also have a trading group where you can hang out with me and other traders. There's a live chat room. I send out a weekly newsletter, and it's all very fairly priced. So check it out, and if anything, read some testimonials. So hopefully you learned something, and thank you for listening.